Hi, this is Ali from the DubaiApp.com. Today I'm going to tell you how you can send free emails to your potential clients. In case if you are a job seeker, this video will help you a lot. So please watch it till the end. So let's get started. So first thing first, go to Google search engine and type in get-in other mail merge Chrome extension. So click on the first link. So all you have to do is you have to install this extension. So I already have it in my system, so I'm not going to install it. Now go to your Gmail account. Here you have to compose a message. So click on compose button. A new window will pop up on your screen. So all you have to do is just type in your text, whatever you want to send. So let's suppose I'm typing, hi, this is a test bulk email, thanks. You can also give this thing a subject line. So in case if you know the name of the person to whom you are sending an email, you can also type in their names. So in the parentheses, I have written the title, which is name. So it will automatically fetch the name of the person to whom you are planning to send an email. So in the subject line, we'll give a subject. Let's suppose business. Business inquiry. So the next step is close the window. So this message will be seen in the draft section. Here it is. So once it's done, let's go to the other step. Go to the Google Sheets. Alright. So here you will observe two things, personal, business. So we'll go with the personal one. Click on this blank button. Here you can put the title, which is name. In the second title, you can put inquiry. In the third one, you can put email ID. So I have taken some random names and some random email IDs. So I'll copy them. Here it is. In the name section, if you know the name of the person, then it's a plus point. Here you can add the names. In the inquiry section, you can add in whatever you want to inquire. Maybe you are applying for a position, maybe you're seeking for a report, financial report or something, whatever you want. So let's suppose I'll type in sales report, that I'm seeking for the sales report. So I'm just going to drag this down below so it will take it. Yeah, that's it. So once you are done with the data thing, click on the add-on button and follow the steps. Start mail merge. Yeah. So it will analyze the data. Press save. And this is showing that in case if you go for the premium plan, you can send around 400 emails per day. But the good thing is that if you are not going to buy a premium one, you can send around 50 emails in a day. Now here you can see that it's showing that sender's name. What you want your audience to see when they receive your email in their inbox. So I'll type Ali Raza, CEO, the Dubai app.com. So here you have to select the template which you have created previously. So here it is, business inquiry, and press this button, send for emails. So the tracking is already on, if you see over here. Boom, you can still send 46 recipients today. So still I have the opportunity to send 46 email to other recipients. So one email got bounced. Yeah, the email ID was incorrect. So make sure that you guys don't do this kind of mistake. So it will also tell you the merge status. So if I'll go back to my email, and I'll refresh this thing, here it is. Business sales report. Hi James, this is a bulk test email, regards. So this is how you can do bulk emails to multiple people in just one go. So this is all for today. In case if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel, which is the DubaiApp.com, and also follow us on our social media platforms. We do daily posting on different jobs. So if you are a job seeker, you can apply over there. If you are a recruiter, you can post free job ads over there. I hope you liked the video. Till the next video, take care, bye bye, have a nice day.